Say it like it is, understanding, not mince words. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, not mince words. This phrase is used often in English conversations and can be a powerful way to express oneself. Let's unravel its meaning, usage, and delve into some examples so you can use it confidently in your daily conversations. The phrase, not mince words, means to speak directly and frankly, without trying to soften the message or being diplomatic. It's about being straightforward and honest, even if the truth might be harsh or uncomfortable. When someone doesn't mince words, they say exactly what they think or feel without sugarcoating it. The term, mince, originally comes from cooking, referring to chopping food into small pieces. So, to mince words means to reduce the impact of your words, making them less direct or forceful. Therefore, when you do not mince words, you're not holding back or trying to make your speech more palatable. You might use not mince words in situations where honesty is crucial, or when you need to make your point clear without any misunderstandings. However, be cautious, as being too direct might sometimes come off as rude or insensitive. It's all about the context and knowing your audience. Here's how you can use it. In feedback, I appreciate that you do not mince words when giving me feedback. It helps me improve. In discussions, let's not mince words here. We need to address the real issues affecting our project. Today, we explored the phrase, not mince words, understanding its meaning, origins, and how to use it in everyday conversation. Remember, being direct can be powerful, but always consider the situation and the other person's feelings. We hope this video has been insightful and adds a new expression to your English repertoire. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.